Hello guys, welcome back to Winnie Rogers DIY, and today I want to show you how to make a happy birthday banner. And I'll begin with this manila paper. I'll use manila paper and aluminum foil, and all those will go for around $1, that is 100 shillings, to buy both. These are my measurements, and I'll cut them into small pieces of 10 centimeters by 15 centimeters. Even as we continue, guys, you can check in my description box. You'll find other videos that I've made, the links to other videos that I've made, birthday videos that I know will help you in decorating your birthdays. You can also subscribe down below so that I'll notify you anytime I upload new videos. Kindly subscribe so that I'll notify you anytime I upload new videos, because there are so many videos that are yet to come. So kindly subscribe down below, click that red button so that you'll be notified anytime you upload new videos.
I've enjoyed the years I've wasted, but the time has come to face the fact that none of what I see is true. So I'm gonna stop looking at you. Oh, I'm gonna stop looking at you.
I'll cut again some pieces. These are smaller ones. These are the ones that I want to use now to make happy birthday letters. So kindly just watch this one keenly so that at least you can get some idea on how to do this, how to cut these letters, because this is a very big challenge to so many people. So kindly just check how I'm doing this. It will make your work easier.
When somebody real is waiting out there for me, why am I looking at you? I've enjoyed the years I've wasted, but the time has come to face the fact that none of what I see is true. So I'm gonna stop looking at you. Oh, I'm gonna stop looking at you. Stop looking at you. Why am I looking at you? You're a picture in a frame. I make believe you're next to me, but I know it's not the same. Why am I looking at you? You're a pixel on a screen. Your animating principle is nowhere to be seen. Why am I lost in a loveless fantasy when somebody real is waiting out there for me? Why am I looking at you? I've enjoyed the years I've wasted, but the time has come to face the fact that none of what I see is true. So I'm gonna stop looking at you. Stop looking at you.
My letters are ready, and now I'm going to use aluminum foil to cover them. I'm using this one to wrap them so that we can get that silvery look or silvery color on them. Let me do one more letter, and then we go to the next step.
Why am I looking at you? I've enjoyed the years I've wasted, but the time has come to face the fact that none of what I see is true. So I'm gonna stop looking at you.
Our letters are ready, and now we're going to use a stapler to staple these papers on top of our manila papers.
I'm gonna stop looking at you.
The next thing we're going to do is to put a thread behind them. You see, I've begun with H on the other side, not this other side. And then I use a sellotape to stick the thread on the manila paper, so that we'll get how to hang these things on the wall. And now my banner is ready. My first banner is ready. I'm going to the second one. This is another one that we sell, so I can say we bought it. I've not made it. We bought it from the shop, and it comes with a ribbon.
But the time has come to face the fact that none of what I see is true. So I'm gonna stop looking at you. Oh, I'm gonna
I put the ribbon all through, and then I show you how to hang it. I'm almost done, guys, and thank you so much for watching this video. In case you need other birthday decoration videos, you can check in my description box for more, and also you can subscribe so that you'll see the other videos that I'm yet to make. Thank you so much, guys, and kindly, I hope you have subscribed. I hope you've subscribed. And also, if you like this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, and if you have a question or a comment, you can leave in the comment section down below. And thank you so much, guys. Have a beautiful day, a beautiful night. Yes, thank you so much. Bye bye.
Why am I lost in a loveless fantasy when somebody real is waiting out there for me?